Hi, it's Mike.
In this video I'm going to show you how to turn an email into a task. So you click and hold on the email that you want to turn into a task, drag it down to your calendar, wait for the calendar to highlight blue and then let go, and this will open up the email as a calendar entry. So you just change the date and time as required, add a note if needed, invite attendees, and then just click send. And this will appear in your calendar for when you set the date and time.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.